Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get a glazing contractor license, also known as a C17 license in California. So this license is for people who cut, assemble, and install glass, mirrored glass, and glass substitute materials. So this can include storefront windows, glass doors, curtain wall systems, skylights, mirrors, shower doors, and other glazing projects. So before applying, you need at least 4 years of journeyman level experience in glazing work. So this just means that you can do the work on your own without any supervisions. You also need to be at least 18 years old and have a social security number or ITIN. And once you meet the requirements, submit your application to the Contractor State License Board. And after it is processed, you can schedule your exams, and then you must pass the law and business exam and the glazing trade exam. And after passing both exams, complete the final paperwork, and once it is approved, your C17 Glazing Contractor license can now be issued. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.